Hi guys, yes. See, to arrange events, to organize events, cooking and things wey person go eat via entertainment is one of the hardest thing. Yes. If you remember, if you get event planner that does not consider your pocket size, that does not consider how he or she will help you, for you to save a little money, that event planner will do you something huge and you will spend money and you will spend more. For example, if you have budget of feeding 20 persons or 30 persons in your event, there is a quantity of food you will cook. But some event planners, they will go and tell you that what to buy or the money you give to them will not be enough. All right. Yeah, this is traditional marriage food. That is what we are cooking right now. In case if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Okay. And any kind of food you want to learn how to cook, this channel is for you. Do well to subscribe to be getting notification anytime we drop our video. JJ and Wanyoli, very, very interesting. Well, this is traditional marriage. It's happening in Okpe, Isoko in Delta State. We went there to arrange. In case if you have your event in any part of the world, do well to also contact us so that we will come to your domot and cook that delicious meal that everybody will enjoy. Trust me. Now, I want to tell you the things that they use in making this, the quantity of the rice, the number of people they put in budget, the amount they buy some things, so that if you are doing your own event, you will not spend much, so that everything you define, you go get some in peace. After the event, you will be happy. The people that come, to celebrate with you will also be happy, and you will spend less. Very, very important. Nothing pass after you event. You will still have small change you will use in sustaining your people. All right, you and your wife or whatever, or dedication or burial or birthday. Nothing pass after your event. You will still have a little money with you. All right. Now, let's go down to the business. The budget of this event is only 200 persons. 200 persons. And for you to entertain 200 persons, their tummy in what they will eat, I'm not going to aspect of drink, I'm going to aspect of food only. For you to entertain 200 persons, budget like half bag of rice. And currently, all of us know that half bag of rice is almost 50 to 60,000, depend the quality of rice you want to buy. Know this. Now you buy tomatoes, half pint of tomatoes, tin tomato, like that, the one they normally use to measure gari or rice. This one you're seeing there now, this one you're seeing on top of that table, buy half of it. 1 or 2, depend the quality you want. That's why I tell you that your event planner have a very huge role to play. Now you are seeing people are enjoying themselves. Tell me if this food did not come out well. Now you can do well to buy 1 carton of chicken if you want to use chicken. 1 carton of chicken is almost 50,000 currently now. Well, depend your location. All these things was bought in Delta State. If you know Ozoro Market, now that is the place we bought all these things. Then for your spices, you can see they are turning the food. All right, they are turning the food. We are making everything possible to make sure this food come out well. Don't try to please people and displease yourself. That will be a very huge error. Because no matter how much you try to make sure you give people food, you give people drink in your event, they will also complain, say you did not try. There must be misunderstanding. This woman bought this fish. This woman she's a visitor. He come for the event. Now she bought this fish, she clean it, she dry it in that place. She bought this fish, I think 4,000. But come to my area, this fish only 3 pieces is 3,000. You can do well to go to Okpe Isoko and buy fish and dry it there. Everything there is cheap. A pint of gari is 1,000. They don't even say by pints, but gari is very cheap over there. All right. So you can do well to do that. So always consider your event people. You have seen people that come for the events, people that are going to consume the food. All right. Yeah, this one is the MC. This one is the mother to the groom, and some friends and well-wishers, which I cannot start mentioning one after the other. Trust me, if you are afraid because of the kind of food people will eat in your event, do well to drop on comment section. I will be glad to guide you step by step. Even if you are not contacting me to help you in the cooking aspect, but trust me, you will be glad, you will be happy. If you have watched this video to this extent and you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe. You can check the description box to see. You will see the videos that also benefit you from there. We also make homemade food. That is what we do and more. Homemade food. Okay? Let me know what you think. As you can see, everybody is happy. Everybody is smiling. They have been on the road for more than 4 hours coming to this place. Help me share the video. Your comment counts.